love apples. Always been a love of apples. And I remember recalling a trip in Germany. Where was I? Oh, I was in Frankfurt. And I was drinking apple wine. I, today, when I think about it, I went, because everybody was going, sour taste, whatever. It's the same mentality when you go licking balls or banana and you expecting a taste that somebody has spoken into your subconscious or your mind or your whatever you call that is of higher you. But then higher you wouldn't be thinking like that, would it? Higher you thinking like, look at that. It is a beautiful shape. It's a beautiful coloring. It's a beautiful spectrum with legs, and I want to absorb it inside me. I want to taste it. I want to taste it. It's an apple tree. What to do? Well, now I'm drinking premium cider. Is it apples? It's Savannah. All I know is that it works when I'm thirsty. When I need that extra sugar kick and that extra thing they put in there, the magic touch. For every little brew is of magic. It depends on what you do and what you believe. If you believe in hatred, it will take you down. If you believe in magic, swallow. Swallow. The frogs do. Swallow. The oceans do. Swallow. The winds do. Swallow. Mother Nature does. Swallow. So who the hell are you? Drink what you need. Right now, siyavana. Mina nawe. Yo. It's like this. Asidagwi. Sisemnandini. Sisethandweni. Siyachata. Kilinyalo. This is a wedding at Factorio. Alles Liebe. Alles wunderbar. Let the music play. Let the dragons play. My name is Yemanja, Dragona of the oceans, of the ponds, of the seas, of all the waters. Waters be the fires, be the volcanoes, be the winds. I am the beginning, the end, the Trinity, the all-living, the Avatar. Ich bin Liebe.